Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a new video in Tajweed step by step. Last time I talked about the difference between harakah and sukoon, and we knew the meaning of Alhuroof Assakinah. Today I am talking about one of Alhuroof Assakinah that has some important rules in Tajweed, which is Annoon Assakinah. Annoon Assakinah, this is the noon that has sukoon above it, by which the air doesn't come out of the mouth, as we talked about it last time. And I'm talking today about the rules of Annoon Assakinah and Attanween. We knew the meaning of Annoon Assakinah. What about Tanween? Tanween is harakah joined to Annoon Assakinah, and we knew that harakah could be fathah, kasrah, or damah. So we have three types of Tanween. Tanween fathah, this is fathah joined to Annoon Assakinah, written as double fathah, pronounced as an. The second type is Tanween kasrah, which is kasrah joined to Annoon Assakinah, written as double kasrah, pronounced as in. The last type is Tanween damah, which is damah joined to Annoon Assakinah, written as double damah, pronounced as un. Annoon Assakinah and Attanween have almost the same rules. Why? Because they give the same sound at the end, which is Annoon Assakinah. But Attanween comes only at the end, unlike Annoon Assakinah, which comes at the end or in the middle of the word. Before I talk about the rules of Annoon Assakinah and Tanween, I want you to read these four words. The first one is in, the second one is inmate, the third one is inbox, and the last one is English. If you look at the letter in the four words, is it pronounced the same? Of course not. In the first word, it's pronounced clearly in, but in the second word, it's assimilated in the letter M, or merged in the letter M. What about in the third word, inbox? Inbox is turned or changed into M. Why? Because it's followed by B. What about in the last word, English? It's hidden. Why? Because it's followed by the letter G, like in the word something. We have almost the same rules in Tajweed, and we have four rules for Annoon Assakinah and Attanween, and they differ depending on the following letter, the places or the points of articulation, and the manners of articulation. We have four rules for Annoon Assakinah and Attanween. The first one is al-ilhar. It means in English clarification or clarity. You pronounce Annoon Assakinah or Attanween clearly, no change. What about the second rule? The second rule is assimilation or merging. You assimilate Annoon Assakinah or Attanween, or you merge them in the following letter. What about the third rule? It's al-iqlab. It means in English turning or changing. You change Annoon Assakinah or Attanween into meme. What about the last rule, which is al-ikhfa, hiding or concealment? You hide Annoon Assakinah or Attanween. And these are the four rules generally. And starting from next time, inshallah, I will talk about each rule of them in details. I will be talking next video about al-ilhar, the meaning of al-ilhar, the letters of al-ilhar, the reasons for al-ilhar, and other things related to al-ilhar. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.